My name is Jamon, and I am part of the renovation team at Donaldson. A day in my life, honestly, is very, very all over the place. A lot of days, I can be doing anything from demolishing an old bathroom, one that the client wants fixed. I can be putting up new drywall, I can be painting, I can be plastering the walls, I can be installing a vanity, a shower. It honestly depends on the client's needs and how far along we are in the project. We have kind of an order of operations, and we just take things one step at a time, and we make sure that we look at the big picture. So if the client needs a grab bar in their shower, we need to make sure after demolition that goes in, the backing goes in before the drywall goes up. So we need to consider all of the client's needs before we move forward and make sure that our client gets the best experience possible. I like the demo part is fun because you get to break stuff and tear down stuff, but I love seeing the process. I love seeing every step of the way as we go, and the one of the best parts, if not the best part, is seeing some of our clients' reactions when we can wow them with a final product of their brand new bathroom. In my spare time, especially in the nicer months, my wife and I enjoy gardening. So we plant out anything from broccoli to we just purchased a new fruit tree, a new nectarine tree that we're going to be planting in the ground in our backyard. I love the idea of growing fresh fruits and vegetables for my wife and my daughter. I love taking my daughter out. She's a big soccer fan. So just a few days ago, when the weather was nice, we took her out to the soccer field and we just essentially played keep away. I had the soccer ball and I said, try to take it from me. So she's very into cross country and soccer. So I love encouraging what she wants and trying to get her to be happy and follow what she wants to do in life. I don't got room for an elephant on my property, so I would try to find a home for it. A zoo that would take humane care of it, I guess. I'm not sure. Definitely have never thought about what I would do with an elephant before.